this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore one of its smart features, that is the Bluetooth music control function. As you can see here, you can play the music on your phone with this feature. Okay, so this functionality do have a feature for playing or pausing the music on your phone, play forward or go forward and backward, and at the same time adjust the volume on the music on your phone. I don't know if you can also check the title. You can see the title of the audio here, so we'll check on that. Okay, so on this video we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So if you are interested to see this feature and check whether it's good or not, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's explore the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here the Mi Fitness app. Let's see if there are some permissions for the feature. So we have here the Mi Fitness apps. Let's see. Music. Tap on this one. As you can see here, control phone playback from device. We'll activate this. Permission required. Allow notifications to be able to control music on your phone from your wearable device. Okay, this is it here. Control phone playback from device. We'll tap on OK. Then let's look for the Mi Fitness application. Let's activate it. Allow. Okay, go back. And I guess everything is okay now. Okay, let's see if we will still receive the notification or the warning. Okay, so seems like everything is okay. System, double check. Okay, nothing else. We have it here on our cards. Nope. Okay, so let's adjust first, so you can use this functionality much better. Widgets. Okay, we only have 4 here. We'll adjust the apps, sort apps, music. I don't know if you can add this on your widgets. Okay, I still haven't explored on this feature. Okay, and next. Then on our smartwatch here, we'll check we will set the menu options. Layout, list. Okay, I guess we're ready now. Let's see. Yes, we do have it here. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first with a built-in music player here on our phone. Again, we are using the Samsung smartphone, and as you can see here, it automatically shows the title of the song, Deeper Meaning, as you can see here. Again, let's adjust. Okay, display, auto lock, we'll make it 5 minutes. Okay, again, Deeper Meaning. Then next, hey, next, Just Relax, Over the Horizon. Next, let's play. Okay, adjust the volume. Can we adjust the volume here? Yes. Next. Next. Go back. Go back. Let's go to the deeper meaning. It's the volume. Stop. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. No issues at all. No problem. Okay, everything went smoothly. As you can see, we have the title, the go forward and backward, we have play and pause, and the volume control works. Okay, and we also have here somewhat like a status bar, okay, or progress circle, as you can see here. Then next, let's go with the Spotify application. In our case, we'll remove the volume here to avoid any copyright issues with a YouTube app. Dismiss. Okay, let's have this one. Some of the songs of Bruno Mars. Go back. Okay, Versace on the floor, as you can see here. Next, Save Your Tears. Does it work? By Ariana Grande. Let me adjust the screen display here. It's turning off. Let's play. 5 minutes. Okay. We haven't activated it yet. Although we set it earlier, but we did not proceed to activating it. Then we have Your Tears here. Then next, Lock Out of Heaven by Bruno Mars. Next, Count on Me. Next, Nothing Holding. Photograph. Okay, so far it works. As you can see here, the lazy song, Just the Way You Are. Okay, stop. Next, Sugar. Okay. Okay, so far it works with our Spotify application. Okay, very good. Next, let's go with the YouTube application here. Let's check first. Seems like it's still playing. Let's stop the Spotify first. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, the next, Secrets of the Tombs of Egypt. Let's play this one. And as you can see, we have it here on our smartwatch. I guess we can listen to the narration here.
Excavating the Saqqara Plateau in Egypt, an
Pause.
complex of thousands
Play.
of years.
Next. 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 Go back. Okay. So it works also with the YouTube application with a volume adjustment. You can go forward, play, and pause, and you can check on the title here, as well as there's some description here, I think. Okay, so it works with the YouTube application. Let's go with the YouTube Music. I don't know if this one will work with the TikTok app. Let's activate some of the songs here. By Kenny Rogers, If I Ever Fall in Love Again. And we have it here, as you can see, with the song, the singer, Kenny Rogers. Stop. Next. Maybe this time it works. Next. You're the Inspiration. It works. Pause. Go back. Yes. Go back. Go back. Stop. Play. Next. Next. As you can see here, the switching of the songs or the video is very fast. Wonderful tonight. Stop. Okay. So that's it for our YouTube Music application, and it works also with a Redmi Watch 5 Lite Bluetooth music control. Okay, so let's try this one, last one. Let's check if it works with a short video. Okay, so let's try the TikTok app. So we have here our Bluetooth music player, and seems like it's not working. No. So there's no support for short video control or TikTok application, particularly the TikTok app. Okay, so we don't have it here. As you can see, it's not working. Okay, but it works with a built-in music player, the Spotify app, YouTube, and YouTube Music. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite Bluetooth music control function. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, still like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!